Yes, I will make $34.29 from $1 in this video. I will use two indicators, moving average and RSI, no any setting required. This video is especially for those who have low account balance and want to grow their account. In trading, you need two things the most. One is knowledge and the other is mindset, both of which are very important. Along with experience, then you become a profitable trader. Yes, for this you have to work hard and give time because it ends your poverty forever. Very few people succeed in this business because very few people have the ability to understand it and trade patiently. Looking at the chart, when the moving average line is below the candle and the market is in an uptrend, then we take a call-up trade with multiple confirmation. Profitable trading isn't about predicting the market, it's about controlling yourself. I created 3 unbreakable rules. 1. Only trade when calm, no late-night desperation. 2. Risk 1% per trade, even if $1 feels insignificant. 3. Review every loss. My journal became my best teacher. Here I am getting a very strong trade. A put means down trade has been placed. Now I tell you on what basis and on how many confirmations I took the trade. First, the market has reversed from a level above, then gradually the down red candle engulfed the green candle, and the line of moving average touched the red candle. And the last confirmation RSI has also indicated for down. With such confirmation, our trade needs to win. For example, I once broke Rule 1 and traded while frustrated. Result, a 5-loss streak that wiped out a week's progress. But when I stuck to my rules, even a $1 trade felt strategic. Remember, small wins compound. A 10% gain on $1 is 0 or 10, but do that daily and you'll see magic. And if you've seen my 4-indicator tutorial, combining those rules with the right tools will accelerate your growth. But first, master your mindset. Our first trade of $1 has been won with the sure shot. Now we go to the next currency pair and find a trade. So I will place a put trade. Here the market is moving above the support level and the moving average is also trending upwards and the RSI line is also trending upwards. But you can see that 3 green candles have formed and there is a small level here the market may go down a bit. You should never get confused in the market. First of all, you have to understand the market well. Then you have to find a trade, analyze it properly, and place a trade with multiple confirmations. Here we have taken a $2 trade and you never have to panic. See, the market doesn't care how much balance you have in your account and how many dollars you are trading. If your analysis is good, then whether your trade is $1 or $1,000, it will definitely win. Our second trade of $2 has also won. As we analyzed, a small red candle was formed. Here's the secret no one tells beginners. You don't need to be perfect, you need to be persistent. I lost 37 trades before my first big win, but each loss taught me something. My turning point? A single trade where I followed my plan perfectly. It turned $5 into $50, then $50 into $500, and finally into thousands. But it started with one disciplined decision. So here's your challenge. For the next 30 days, focus on consistency, not profits. Track your trades. Celebrate sticking to your rules, even if you lose. We look for the next trade, and this is also the best trade found in the same market where we took the second trade. According to our earlier analysis, we got the indication of 2 red candles and the wick of the second candle touched the resistance line. So we placed the third trade of $4 for down direction. This trade must also be a win because we have multiple confirmations for this trade. And re-watch my 4-indicator guide video, that knowledge with discipline, and you'll unlock your potential. Trust me, the market rewards those who outlast their doubts. Now let's get personal. Raise your hand if you've ever felt like giving up after a losing streak. Pause. Yeah, me too. Here's the truth. Losing streaks are your best teachers. I once lost 15 trades in a row. 15. But instead of rage quitting, I wrote down every mistake. Turns out I kept trading when I was tired, bored, or just impatient. Sound familiar? So here's your homework. Grab a notebook. Call it your no BS journal. Every time you take a trade, write why. Was it logic or emotion? For me, emotion lost me money. Our third trade has also won. Logic saved me. And if you're thinking, but how do I stay logical when money's on the line? Don't worry, I'll share my focus trick later. For now, just promise me you'll start that journal. Deal? Let's talk about the one reason small accounts fail. It's not strategy, it's self-doubt. I used to stare at the screen, sweating, thinking, what if I'm wrong? But here's the secret. You'll always be wrong sometimes. The goal isn't perfection, it's progress. After this candle, now buyers have broken that level. My game changer? The 3-trade rule. Every day I give myself only 3 trades. Win or lose, that's it. Why? It forces me to wait for the best setups, not the easiest. And guess what? My wins got bigger, my losses smaller. Try it tomorrow. And if you're stressed, do what I do. Stand up, stretch, and say out loud, it's just practice until I'm consistent. Sounds silly, but it works. We go into next market for the next trade. Now I want to share the golden truth I've never shared. The market rewards patience, not genius. My biggest win came after waiting 2 hours for the perfect setup. 2 hours. Most people quit after 10 minutes. But that trade, it turned $5 into $300. Now, I want you to succeed. So do this. After this video, write down one rule you'll never break. Mine, no trading after 8 p.m. Your turn. Drop it in the comments with binary patience. I'll reply to my favorites. This video will be a little long, but you have to watch the whole. It will benefit you a lot because you will see how I analyze. With patience, you have to practice exactly the same way. Don't be in a hurry. The market is not running away. You have to be patient. Many people wash their accounts in the process of trading quickly, and there are some people who follow their rules for a few days and then become jealous. In the second market, we did not find any particular trade, so we came back in the same market. You have to keep yourself under your control and keep a daily check on your register that today you have traded so much profit, so much loss. Even if you trade in a demo account, continue this routine. In this way, you will become a good trader. And placed an up direction trade. This is exactly in line with our earlier analysis. The market broke that level and then started moving upwards. Our entry is absolutely right. This trade will definitely win. Wait. And this trade also when our account has become $15. We started trading from $1. You can see how I am trading after analyzing the market well, just like you have to practice in demo account again and again until you are able to trade with full confidence in live account. Looking for the next trade, and this is exactly the same market. We got a down trade, and I have placed a trade of $15 in the down direction. Just like before, we got the indication given by the previous red candle. Here we have to look at the candlestick pattern and also take the help of the indicator for confirmation. And after that, I have placed the next trade in the downward direction of 29 because I believe it will also go down because the red candles have to complete their pattern. We wait. And this trade is also won according to our best sure shot analysis, and our balance is $56. Remember that the market is not the same every day, so it is important to understand the market well. Let's see the next trade. And this market, I placed a trade in the up direction of $56. I entered a little late, but hopefully it will be a win. Here too, the market is going above the support level below, and the level is slightly above the candle on which our trade is running, so our chances of winning the trade are high. Let's see, and this trade is also win. Our balance is $106. Let's see, we started trading with $1. Now we are looking for the next trade after looking at the another pair. We are getting a trade in this pair. Here I have placed a trade of $100 in the up direction. Here the market is moving upwards and starting to consolidate a bit at a level here. The candle went short but won, and our balance is now $190. You can see that our trades are going very well. Let's look for the next trade, and I am looking at this market. And you can see that this trade was a deep win. Our balance is $350. We started trading from $1. Looking for the next trade, and here I open a few more pairs. I am watching the trade in this market, and here I have placed a down direction trade of $350. Here the market is in a downtrend, and the indicators are also showing a downtrend. But doji candles are also forming here. And this candle also became doji because of our good entry. Our investment has returned to our account. Now we look for a trade in another pair. Here I will analyze a little better. And here I found an up direction trade and I placed it. The reason for placing a trade is simple. Both the indicators are pointing upwards and the candlestick pattern is also indicating an up trade. According to our analysis, this trade has also won and our balance has reached $633. Hope you are learning a lot from today's video. The purpose of making my video is to teach you. Let's see the next trade. Now I will place a trade of $630. Here in this market, I have placed a trade of $630 in the up direction, and you will understand what confirmation the trade is based on. You can tell me in the comment section. I will definitely answer you. In this way, our trade has also been won and our balance has become $11.94. We started trading from $1 and have made huge profits so far. Now I will place a trade of $1,000. I know when I am told and how much risk to take. My experience has taught me that you will learn too. Just stay connected with me and I will guide you along. Let's see the next trade. I have to take a trade in this market. And here I have placed a trade of $1,000 in the up direction. Buyers are strong here and our indicators are also giving us proper indications. I have explained about the indicator in detail in the previous video. If you have not seen that video, then you must watch it. I will give the link of the video in the description. And this trade has also won due to our best analysis, and my balance has reached $34. This video is made to motivate you. It will be better for you to practice it in demo account. Looking for the next trade. Now I will take the last trade of $1,500. This will be my last trade. I will analyze the market a little better. And here I got a wonderful trade according to my risk. I have placed a trade of $1,500 in the down direction, and it will definitely win, I know. Our indicators are working very well. A big red candle was formed, before which the control of the buyers was completely lost. The sellers were strong in the market, so I placed a trade in the downward direction. We started trading from $1 today, and with very good analysis we grew the account very well. You can do it too. You just need practice and knowledge. Our trade is a sure shot win. Our balance has gone from $1 to $3,429. Hope you have learned a lot from this video. If you got to learn something from this video, then please like this video and give your opinion in the comments. Subscribe to the channel to get all the next videos. See you in the next video. Happy trading.